I've been debating this purchase for a while, but I just went to Best Buy and picked up the DJI Mic Minis because the camera I'm filming on, the Xtra Muse, actually just had an upgrade, and now it wirelessly connects to these bad boys. And I have other wireless microphones, like I love my Rode wireless go-tos, but for these ones I need to tether a transmitter to this camera and then use them, and they work great that way, and that's fine for like stationary things. But I really want to get into filming some more on-the-go type stuff, and I have a couple of bigger projects on the horizon that are going to require a more mobile setup and one that's really easy to kind of put together and use. So we are going to set these bad boys up, and hopefully the internet didn't lie to me that these were connectable to this camera. My body's a temple for microplastics. I actually have quite a fair share of DJI products in my creator kit. Oh, hello stickers. Okay, so we have our little dead cats. We'll just leave those in there. We don't really need those right now. Charging cable, and then the mics themselves. And this is actually a pretty hefty little pouch. That's gonna be a handy dandy one. What's nice about the DJI mini mics is that they come with their case. Like I can just throw this in my purse, whereas my Rode wireless go-tos, I had to buy the charging case separately. Like this was a separate add-on for another $100. The Mic Minis just come ready to go. Like DJI knew what they were doing with these. They know they're for people on the go. Open it up. Ta-da! And it looks like there's a little bit of a battery to them right now, which is nice because I want to go use these for a project right here, right now. So I'm going to get these connected to this camera and I will film that on my phone so you can see it. Really should have painted my nails, but here's my little transmitter. So we are going to go over to here and go to settings. I think here. Wireless mic. Okay, and then we'll just power the mic. Stop it, that was so easy. Oh my gosh, that was so simple. Okay, well, let's flip you around and see how these bad boys sound. Okay, so now I have the audio hooked up to the DJI Mic Mini, no transmitter required, which is so dang nice. That is so handy dandy. Hopefully it sounds good. There is some rain. Well, I wouldn't even call it rain. It's ice falling down on my windshield and on my sunroof right now, so hopefully that's not too much of a hindrance. But what's really cool is I can clip you anywhere. This is so tiny. Let's put you right. Just stick you right here for now. Burr, burr, burr. Even though this doesn't require a transmitter, it does come with one, so I can use this for my Sonys, I can use this for my iPhone, I can use this for basically any other camera. So there's a transmitter for that, and there's a second one. So if I ever get in a pinch and need to do an interview with these bad boys, I can just have these in my purse at all times and just go for it, which I think is awesome. But I have a crafting project I want to do, so let's go to Michael's and get what we need for my crafting project, and I'll take you with me and we will test these out in more of a real world situation. So something that I just noticed about the wireless mic is that, like, I turned the camera off, turned it back on, and it just automatically recognized that the mic was there, which I think is very helpful. Do not have to reset it every time. Look at how cute these are. These are super fun for like little Polaroids. Not what we're here for. There's someone in the aisle that I need to be in, and I don't want to invade their space. Hopefully this is sounding okay. I have a very boring pair of headphones that I want to turn into a fun pair of headphones. So we're gonna do that. And I'm kind of thinking this color because this is like my brand color. And they're gray headphones. They're kind of like boring. All permanent and removable vinyl. Buy one, get one 50% off. Well, that changes things. I think I need to get this one just because it's my brand color. So you'll go in there. This one's on clearance. Pink isn't really like my brand color, but it's fun and it's on clearance. And I like that. Here's like a more glossy, it looks like shade of lavender. Dishwasher friendly. Not gonna be washing my headphones, hopefully. Do like the look of this one, but I think the other one's a little more matte, and I think matte would be a little bit better. That's fun. Look at that. 15-year-old Abby would be dying over this. Purple glitter. Oh, it's dusty. I don't think anyone has wanted this in a while. 4 feet. Seems like a lot of vinyl. mean, it is buy one, get one 50% off. 48 inches. 48 inches is 4 feet. Okay, so maybe we get a matte and gloss. I think we're good. Got the goods. Now to go home and do the crafts. Does anyone remember those commercials? It was like Glade or something. It's like, plug it in, plug it in. Plugging it in. Crafting on the floor in my 30s. Because sometimes you just need some crafting time, you know? All the like Cricut enthusiasts are like cringing at what I'm doing. Like, oh my God, she's cutting the freaking vinyl on her mat. She's gonna destroy it. Guess what? Bought this mat on clearance when my favorite craft store shut down. So I don't really care. Why is my connection to my machine failing? 80%. It's done. Women in STEM. Okay, now we just gotta weed all these little lines out. How hard can it be? We did it. The craft is complete. I now have purple headphones. I should have done the glitter. But you know what? We live, we learn. We're gonna roll with these for a while. This lighting is not doing them justice. It looks a lot better. I know I said I don't want gray headphones, and that's why I'm doing this, is to make them purple, and this camera angle is not making them look purple. It's making them look just a different shade of gray. But I promise in person, they are purple. I made purple headphones, okay? $6 in vinyl and $10, $5, whatever it was, in the pattern for this. Worth it. Worth it. This craft was worth it. I'm happy.